see.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're on.
Set,
go. Oh. Oh. Wow. Miles, you're being outdone right now.
Oh, yeah.
That was beautiful. Such a dainty little thing, too.
Yeah, really. Exactly.
Oh, come on, Shawnee. Show us what you can do.
I can't burp on command.
Miles steps in. Miles breaks.
Uh-oh.
I like the arms. Max? Max?
Who took my stick? Randy got my stick.
I think he's in middle s'more. Okay, so I guess you're back on. Jeez, just don't get sick.
There you go. Your friend,
So much out
What?
Elizabeth, do you have any way to do this?
No, I used to, but I can't anymore.
Oh, something.
Because I just ate all my candy and I burped really big up there, and now I can't.
Oh, so you're out. You just totally expired. Miranda, what do you got? What do you got? Sue.
I've never been able to do that.
No, I mean.
But Miranda can.
Oh, wait, there's more. Here I go.
You can't burp.
No.
Oh, there's Max.
Here goes Max. Look at him, he goes.
It's getting way deeper. It's a fake, exactly. It's a
Better. That one was a little bit too on the chocolate. Come on.
Oh, this is classic video for the rest of their lives, boy. I'm saving this one.
Oh, I wish I had my camera right now. Just send me the pictures.
So I'm going to send you this video.
I have a question when you're done.
Okay, should I well, here's this fire that we built. Isn't that lovely?
Max, that was beautiful. Guttural.
Okay, for mom, say that was beautiful.
Oh, these are beautiful. These are good. This is good quality.
That's what I was waiting for.
Good quality material.
Max, you're going like this. You know, I have a leaf on my thing.